Hey, top of the morning to you. This is Rose Price, a realtor at Landmark Real Estate here in Champaign, Urbana. And today we are going to go on a walking tour of downtown Urbana. So I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. So here we are, downtown Urbana. We're just going to start with our walking tour. So we are at the corner of Main and Race in downtown Urbana. And you notice the big, huge Busey Bank. We have several different attorney offices downtown Urbana. Frederick and Hagel is over there. We have a dental office. We're shooting early in the morning, so this is pretty nice day today, about 87 degrees out. Coming up is Crane Alley. People go there often to eat, and guess what? In the alley. I think you could probably see the chairs there. Where is it? Alright, come back over here. There it is. There's the chairs. Okay. And right next to the Crane Alley is a large parking garage, and that's where, if you don't park out on the street, then you park in the parking garage. Several stories high. Pretty nice. Coming up soon here is our courthouse. Hopefully you can see it, the sun doesn't blind you. I'll zoom in here in a minute because it's a nice building here. Alright, hopefully you can see that. Not much going on in the courthouses today due to COVID-19. A lot of things are held off, and attorneys and judges are delayed in all of their reporting and all of that. It's been a tough time during COVID-19 in Champaign, Urbana. Okay, we're going to switch now, and I'm going to go down the opposite side of Main Street here and see what we have on the other side. So there's County Plaza. County Plaza is basically a building of mostly offices, and so now we're going to move down the opposite side. First store we have here is Heel to Toe. Wonderful, wonderful store. Everybody in town has probably bought some shoes there. They've also had their feet inspected. They do medical work. Also, they can do casting. Very, very nice place to get shoes. They have a yearly sale, so most people love to go there during the yearly sale. Just taking a shot down the street there. I'll move back over here and show you the ground floor of the parking garage. As I said, there are several different levels to the garage. Free parking evenings and weekends. Heel to toe takes up 1, 2, 3, 4 storefronts. Nice little bookstore over here. Then we have the cinema, old-time movies. We don't have, a lot of towns just don't have these old-time movie theaters. We're fortunate here in Urbana, as well as Champaign, to have some. There's a city bus. We have excellent city buses here in Champaign, Urbana. Oh my gosh, I went to the city barn and saw how they park all of them. They must have about 150 buses. Award-winning, handicap accessible. And they give you a clear shot of Crane Alley. Good place to eat here. It's a nice leisurely walk for me. I'm loving it. It's a good thing to do, these walking tours. You always wonder if they're going to turn out okay. But so far, so good. And I'm going to be turning the corner here, and I will be off of the main drag, but I thought I wanted to show you something. Coming back up to Busey Bank here. Right down this street is a pretty nice little pub. I'm forgetting what the name of it is. I haven't been here for a while, but I'm going to get it here in a second. It's a custom furniture and upholstery store. This is an Indian cuisine restaurant right here. Carle Hospital. I'm looking for my little pub. I think it's right here on the corner. Yes, I remember now. It is the Iron Post. Nice little pub. They do a lot of people play here. Got good music. They have an outdoor patio, as you can see. Okay. And then we have the hotel that is being renovated. Kind of looks like it's Bavarian, European style. This has been dealt with several different owners through time. I'm hoping this time that they do a good job of making it work. And over here is the Urbana Public Library. So here is the famous Courier Cafe. Lovely place to go for lunch and dinner. Terrific sandwiches and just a lot of good food here. I don't believe that they sell any alcohol, and it certainly is a family type restaurant. And as you can see right now, We are still not open to indoor dining at this time. Courier Cafe has a nice tent up for seating. Okay. And Courier Cafe is just one street off of the main drag here at Urbana. And then down here on the end is the Majesta Grill. Another cute little place for eating down here, coming upon it. Good news is that there's good parking around here, so any place you want to go, you can easily find a place to park. So just a block away from Main Street, we have Bunnies Tavern. It is a staple here, been here since 1936. Wonderful place to come for lunch. On Fridays they have cod sandwiches or just plain cod and walleye. That's their big thing. Pizzas here are awesome. And you can see that we're set up again with the large tents for seating. Bunnies on the weekends always has bands. Pretty cool. And I think I'm going to go underneath the tent just to get a little shade. It's hot out here. Kind of liking some of this outdoor dining, especially with the tents. And right over here, this is a parking lot that the tent is set up on. Right here is the American Legion, right across the way here from Bunnies. Nice little place to stop if you're a veteran and to come here. Okay, we're going to take a few other spots that are off the main drag just to give you an idea of downtown Urbana. So here we are at the Black Dog. This is a wonderful place to come if you like smoked barbecue. And this is the original one that is here in Urbana. It was here first. They also have one in Champaign. This is just down the alley from Bunnies. It's a good sized building. I know you'll enjoy the food. So this is Strawberry Fields Cafe. Wonderful place to come here in Urbana. And connected to it is the World Harvest International and Gourmet Food Store. Wonderful place to come to for all the Urbanaites and Champaign folks too. But this is a very famous little place here. So there you have it. That was a mighty fine downtown Urbana walking tour. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, and you still have questions about Urbana, please make some comments below and I'll be gladly answer your questions. And if you're thinking about moving here to Champaign, Urbana, you might like to look at a previous video I did on what you need to know prior to moving to Champaign, Urbana. So touch base with me, like my button, subscribe so you can catch all the other videos that I do every Monday morning. And in the meantime, have a powerful day.